Bought a couple of these pet nail grinders because these are really the things that my dog can deal with the easiest, and because I don't want to have to drag it around. I'm going to keep one near their grooming area and then one out back where sometimes I have an opportunity to cut their nails. So it's a nice unit. It has a button there, turns it on. As you can hear, it's on right now. It's not very loud. You've got the light, which is handy, really handy, and then you have the slow mode. It's that simple to use, and it's real handy because now I can cut their nails with grinding instead of clipping. You just touch their nails to these various areas on it, and it makes it really quick. Real comfortable for them because it works from any angle, and it's rechargeable with USB-C, comes with a charging cable. That's why I bought them. Bought a couple of them. Hope that helps.